I'm trying to write a new leor book. Leor. You know, I read somewhere that there's only 7 plots in all of storytelling. Un, overcoming the monster. Ya, rags to riches. Tree, the quest. Ceathair, voyage and return. Coic, rebirth. Shia, comedy. Sheach, tragedy. Why not just use them all and add an Ad of a Hoch? Number 8, Ad of a Hoch. Calum Och, young Calum, Calum Och, set forth in search of baile Wigtown. Aha, that's the quest taken care of. Baile is Scotland's national book town. Set on the Machars Peninsula from the Gaelic Machar, sandy land near the coast, Machar, it's home to an annual book festival, and with more búgan laurichen, bookshops, búgan laurichen, per head of population than anywhere else in Scotland, it's the ideal place for literary inspiration. This place was planned as a baile laurichen, book town, baile laurichen, to regenerate it after the creamery and distillery closed. It sounds like a tragedy, but that's a rebirth. And possibly rags to riches as well. Sean Bythell runs Scotland's largest second-hand bookshop. Sean, I've just come into your shop. It looks fantastic. How does an independent bookshop stand out in this day and age of it being so easy, you know, go online and buy a book there?
There's an edge that we have, which is serendipity. If you're buying online, you have to really know what you're looking for. Bookshops, I think, do give people a sense of comfort and belonging and sort of intellectual stimulation.
It often does get said that everybody has got a book in them. As someone that's written a few books, do you agree?
Yes, I think it is true. I think not everybody has a good book in them. I'm not sure I've got a good book in me. But anyway, Calum, I would strongly advise you to make a start. OK, so I've got my notepad. Just get started. Thank you very much. Good luck. I might need it. Old books. There's something special about them. Which reminds me, it's my dad's birthday coming up and he's a nightmare to get a present for. It's a beast of a job trying to buy something for him. Unless I got him a ceann leor. In fact, you could even say that would be overcoming the monster.
Oh, that's a bit tenuous.
Here, you can even spell tenuous. Do you know why this leor is so chew? Thick, chew. Well, it's a long story. It's comedy. After his tourist journey, our protagonist was inspired. He wrote his magnum opus, a 7-part tome, bought himself a bú leorichin and returned home a gaisceach. Hero, gaisceach. That's voyage and return. And they all lived happily ever after. Siad a bhealach joy.